All right, we're now looking at present value of annuity rather than future. Now, present value of annuity is basically how much would you have to put in the single investment required right now to produce the future value. So in other words, we've got the future value, or we want a particular future value, and we need to know how much we'd have to put in today to produce that amount. Okay? So let's have a look. Where are we? This is the example that we looked at earlier. There's a formula there. Now, just to make you happy, you're not going to have to do it. Now, in an annuity, we put in $1,500 each for 9 years. That's what we did. What we didn't do, or what we want to do this time, is we want to work out how much we need to put in today so that we don't have to put in $1,500 every year. So if you follow this example along, basically we put in the future value that we had, we put in the interest rate, and we put in the compounding periods, and that tells us exactly how much we'd have to put in today so that we don't have to do it every time. Okay? Now, luckily, you don't have to use the formula to work it out. If you want to compare the two, you can have a look, blah, 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 blah. So in this one, scroll down. That's horrible. Okay. We also have a present value table. So once again, this is how much you would have to invest today to get the same result, putting in a certain amount each compounding period. Okay, and that table is continued. Okay, so there's one worked example, so we'll do it now. So we're going to, Liam invests $750 per year in an annuity at 6% per annum for 8 years with interest compounded annually. Use the table to calculate the present value. So this is the amount that he would have to invest today to get the same as he would by doing $750 per year. So let's go up and find our 6% and 8 interest periods. I think it's on the previous page. There's the 6%, there's the 8 interest periods, so it's 6.2098. So we go back here and we've got 6.2098, and we're going to multiply this by the 750. 6.2098, and that will give him 2098. He would have to put in, well, I wish I'd read that first, 4657.35. 4657.35. That's the amount he would have to invest today and not have to put in $750 per year. Okay? Hopefully that made a bit of sense.